Today, we will be making an octopus craft. We found this craft on Pinterest. First, let's gather our supplies. We need a paper plate, a green piece of paper with lines drawn on it, some eyes to put on our octopus, scissors, glue, and a green crayon. Now let's find our paper plate and our green crayon. Let's twist open the lid, find our green one. Remember, we use our crab claw, and let's start to color. Now that we've colored our entire plate green, let's find our eyeballs. Ready? We're gonna peel them off. Now let's find our black crayon. And we are going to do a big curve for our octopus smile. There we go. Now it's time to cut. Let's find our green paper with the lines on it and our scissors. Okay, make sure to do thumbs up cutting. Hold the paper with the hand that you don't write with and the scissors in the hand that you do write with. We're gonna start furthest away from the hand holding the paper. That way, the paper doesn't get too small too fast. We're gonna try to cut on the line. It's okay if we mess up, we need to keep cutting. Our octopus has 8 tentacles. So we are gonna cut 8 pieces of paper. Good job. Now we need to make our tentacles look special. We are going to accordion fold them. So ready? Let's start at the top, right here. We're gonna make a small fold like this, flip it over, and then fold it again. Flip it over, and fold it again. And then we're gonna keep doing that all the way until the bottom of the tentacle. When we do this and unfold it, it'll look super cool, just like an accordion. Ready? Look. Now we wanna do this 7 more times to make our tentacles for our octopus. Parents, this might be where you need to help your child because it is a little tricky. Now that we have accordion folded all of our tentacles, it's time to glue. Use 2 hands when we open our glue stick. Pull the cap off and put it on the table. Ready? Let's flip over our octopus. Let's put our first tentacle right here, right in the middle of our plate on the side. We're gonna glue 1 flap of our accordion, and then we're gonna keep gluing all of our tentacles. We have 8 of them. Remember that after we have glued, let's make sure to pat down our tentacles. Uh-oh, looks like one of mine came off. That's okay, we can put a little bit more glue on it and fix it. Ready? Let's press it down. When we are done using the glue stick, we have to twist it down. Ready? Now let's put the top on. There we go. Let's look at our octopus. Isn't he so cute? Good job making yours.